Do you have friends born with red hair? She's piloting Unit 2. Remember to tell her about the latest research from Spain's National Museum of Natural Sciences published in PNAS Nexus. Scientists have finally unlocked the evolutionary mystery behind red hair, fair skin, and freckles. Why do their genes produce pheomelanin, this waste pigment? Calling it waste isn't an exaggeration. Pheomelanin, unlike eumelanin, offers no UV protection and is pro-oxidant. Instead, it has pro-oxidative properties, releasing reactive oxygen species that attack DNA, increasing melanoma risk. This gene should have been eliminated by natural selection. To find answers, scientists studied zebra finches. The male birds of this species usually have reddish-orange cheek patches. Right, that's pheomelanin. Scientists started feeding them diets supplemented with cysteine, simulating a state where excess cysteine could become toxic. Then came the main event. Scientists injected one group of birds with a drug code named ML349, an APT2 inhibitor. APT2 normally weakens MC1R, a protein that plays a crucial role in determining feather color, so inhibiting it could have interesting effects. MC1R is the production line commander for hair color. If MC1R commands effectively, only pheomelanin is produced, but if it's interfered with, it switches to making pheomelanin. So injecting ML349 forcibly shuts down the bird's pheomelanin production line. The key lies here. We've long known that pheomelanin is synthesized from the amino acid cysteine. Cysteine is also a crucial raw material for glutathione, our body's strongest antioxidant. It's a raw material for glutathione, but an excess of its sulfhydryl groups can trigger a rather dramatic and somewhat Chunibyo-sounding cell death reaction. So scientists suspected human red hair or birds' orange feathers are for detoxification. What did they ultimately discover? Birds with pheomelanin production shut down, but consuming high cysteine experienced explosive oxidative damage. Free radicals relentlessly attack their cell membranes. Conversely, birds that can produce pheomelanin gather up all that surplus cysteine, chemically transforming it into harmless pheomelanin, which they then deposit into their feathers, creating their unique coloration. Their orange patches showed an increase in pheomelanin synthesis. Blood tests showed a tendency for decreased oxidative damage. This demonstrates that pheomelanin truly functions as an inherent resource recycling buffer. Evolution likely preserved this gene because when an organism accumulates an excess of cysteine, this mechanism helps manage the surplus. Prevent cells from being poisoned, the body's pheomelanin production line packages and solidifies excess cysteine into pheomelanin, stuffing it into hair and feathers. Under certain environmental pressures, like eating only mammoth meat or wild oats for 10,000 years, this diet could cause chronic poisoning. The red hair gene, resistant to disulfide death, might have offered an advantage, especially during reproduction, by helping individuals cope with compounds from such a restricted diet. Their healthier cells gave them an edge, preserving the trait. Evolution doesn't care about future skin cancer only if they survive to reproduce. It prioritizes immediate reproductive success over long-term health. Oh, you're introducing me to your red-haired friend now? No thanks, I have a red-haired friend, busy with her worm.